AI is not here to replace you. It's here to multiply what you can accomplish. The small business owners who start now will have a massive edge over those who wait. Welcome to episode 1 of our AI Hacks for Business Owners series, the AI Advantage, why small business owners can't ignore it. As small business owners, we wear a lot of hats: marketing, sales, operations, finance, and the truth is we only have so much time and energy. And that's where AI comes in. It lets you do more in less time. It can draft content, handle repetitive tasks, analyze data, and even help you make smarter decisions. Think of it as adding an assistant, a strategist, and a researcher to your team without the payroll cost. For example, AI can take a long client email and instantly summarize the 3 key points you need to act on. And the best part, you don't have to be a tech wizard to use it. Most tools are designed for everyday business owners, and the learning curve is surprisingly small. Over this series, I'm going to show you practical AI hacks you can start using right away. No coding, no overwhelm. If you're ready to save hours each week and grow faster, stay tuned because this is going to change how you run your business. Hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our weekly tips to take your business to the next level using AI. And I can't wait to share next week's hack with you, so be sure to hit the bell and join me then. I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for Radical Success.